Hey, it's Paul with RackAttack.com, and this is the Thule Evo Flush Rail base roof rack system for the 2017 through 2022 and possibly beyond Volvo V90 Cross Country with flush side rails. This system comprises three components, starting with the Evo Flush Rail foot pack set of four and the WingBar Evo load bars set of two, available in silver or black, and then the vehicle-specific fitting kit. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit, which includes a set of four of these molded rubber base pads, as well as a set of four of these metal clamps that are rubber coated, and then four of these fasteners. So these individual parts all have numbers that are associated with them that correspond to numbers in the instruction sheet to help guide in the installation onto the individual feet. So here's one of the feet. I'll go ahead and take off this outer cover. And within the cover, you see we have a threaded post. Now, these fit kit components not only have numbers associated to them, but they also have letters. So they're designated A, B, and C, starting with the first component to be installed, which has the letter A. So that just basically sets down within the foot. And then the rubber base has the letter B, and that's the next one to be installed. That just presses to the underside. And then the last component here has the letter C, and that just hooks onto the top here and comes down. And then your fastener just threads onto that threaded post. Okay. Now, the next step would be to install the load bar onto the top of the foot, and that's what this assembly is for. Let's go ahead and get the load bar. This is the Thule WingBar Evo load bar. We've cut this one down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction with a dedicated track, and that track is accessed by opening the end cap, allowing you to install the hardware for certain carriers that are track compatible, allowing for a very clean, integrated method of attachment directly to the top of the bar. Now, when it's time to install the foot onto the bar, let's go ahead and remove this end cap. Now, you'll notice we have this measuring device that's included. The measurements won't be used for this installation. We can go ahead and slide that down out of the way temporarily. And now we simply just slide the foot down into the slot there. And when it's time to tighten this up, we have a tool for that. But first we want to install the end cap. By installing this end cap, that is a safety measure, and that will stop the foot from coming off the end of the bar when you're maneuvering this to the vehicle and getting it centered up on the roof. So what we want to do first is take the tool, and after it's centered on the vehicle, begin tightening this fastener. This tool will simultaneously tighten to the side rail and also tighten to the bar all at once. So generally you tighten 50% on one side and then come back and fully tighten on the first side, and you would tighten until this tool actually clicks. That indicates that it's been fully tightened, and it's tightened to the 4 Newton meters as determined by the Thule engineers. So here I'll go ahead and demonstrate, and you can hear that click and feel that click. So then we want to take this measuring device and slide that back into place up against the inner edge of that foot, and that'll help maintain good aerodynamics on the underside. Now you notice you have some exposed slot on the outer portion here, and Thule provides rubber for that. That just gets cut to measured and press into that space there up against the end cap. Now, at that point, we can go ahead and return the outer cover back into place. That just snaps back on. This plastic plug, just give that a quarter turn, and that'll hold that cover in place. Now, you do have the option to replace that plastic plug with a metal lock cylinder. These are sold separately and matched sets. So a set of 4 would lock all 4 of your covers and give you one key to open and close that. Now, you can purchase those lock cylinders in larger match sets so that you can have not only your base roof rack, but also your individual components all key matched and locked with one key. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Thule Evo Clamp base roof rack system for the Volvo V90 Cross Country with flush side rails. This product, along with a full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all the buying options for this roof rack system, as well as another link for a more in-depth installation on video for the installation of this system. Also, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below. And if you like this video, please like. If you want other videos that are similar to this, that cover more carriers and cargo boxes and so on, our channel has over 1,000 different videos. Please subscribe and click the notification bell, and you'll be notified anytime any new videos are posted. Thanks for watching.